Grade 2, Level 3, long vowel E in long words. For this lesson, you will need your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker, your time to read workbooks, and of course, the time to read app. Welcome, boys and girls. Please will you take out your workbooks and open onto this page. These are the two columns that I would like you to read today. Please pause this video while you are reading the words. Hi there, time to readers. Are you ready to write some sounds? Please will you get your whiteboards out and draw lines down to make some columns. 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns. So now I've got 4 columns. Draw a line across for our headings. In the first column, please will you write the heading middle. Second column, end of word. Third column, end of clap. And of course, the last column is the rare. Now, boys and girls, I think you know what we're going to do next. Because in English, where we hear the sound of the word will tell us how to spell it. This is why we are doing this. If you're still not sure what I mean, follow along. Right, boys and girls, on your whiteboard, I want you to write the 2 A's that we find in the middle of words. Yes, that A. And the other A? Well done, boys and girls. Now look at that first A. I heard somebody say that looks like funny A. You are correct. But now it is A, long vowel A, in the middle of words. So if we hear a word with A in the middle, this is the choice that we can choose. Good job. Next, I want you to write the A that we use at the end of a clap word. Boys and girls, it is a single letter A. Yes, at the end of a clap word, we have a standalone A. Please will you write the rare A's. Now remember, we learned this. The 3 rare A's that you know of. Well done, boys and girls. Can you remember the rhyme? The first one is the A from they. The second one is A from 8. And the third one is the A from great. Good job. Now, lastly, can you please show me if you hear A at the end of a word, what it looks like? Well done. It does look like that. Can you think of a word? Good job. Let's move on. Right, the next one I'm looking for is the E sound at the end of a clap. The E at the end of the clap. Yes, that's what it looks like. It's a standalone. Boys and girls, that is the E at the end of a word. Do you know the other E that we find at the end of a word? Well done, you are correct. That is those 2 E's at the end of words. The next one, I'm looking for the E's in the middle of words. Well done, those are the E's that we find in the middle of words. Next up, I am looking for the I at the end of a word. Good job. Yes, it looks like an E as well, but that Y can be I at the end of short words. Boys and girls, what I want you to write down next is the I in the middle of words, but it has to be the I that likes T. Can you remember what that looks like? Well done. Yes, it is. Her likes T. Right. Let's find now the other I that we use in the middle of words. There it is. It's the smiley eye. Good job. Boys and girls, do you remember what I looks like at the end of a clap word? Yep. If it looks like mine, you are correct. Right, are you ready to move on? I am looking for the two O's in the middle of a word. Well done, boys and girls. Remember, this is not so tricky because our sound chart is always here to help us. I'm looking for the O at the end of a clap. Please write it down. Well done. Yes, it is the standalone O. Next up, I'm looking for the O that we find at the end of a word. Do you know what that looks like? Well done, boys and girls. Yes, that's exactly what O looks like at the end of a word. Right, now I'm looking for U in the middle of a word. U. Well done. Now, boys and girls, next, I'm looking for a sound that can make two sounds. It can be an oo sound and it can also be a sound, and we find it in the middle of words. Good job. I hope yours looks like mine. And if it doesn't, change it and let's remember it for next time. Now I'm looking for the U sound at the end of a word. Nope, that's the U at the end of a clap. Well done. It is the standalone U. That's the U at the end of a word. Now, boys and girls, there's another U at the end of the word. Can you remember what it looks like? Write it down. Well done. That was amazing. Look at all the sounds we know, and this will also help us to remember how to spell it.
Close your eyes and listen to the following words. Happy, carry, monkey. Can you hear the long vowel E at the end of each word? Now, draw clap lines for happy. Code each clap. Mark E with a cross. Boys and girls, on our sound chart, we see the most common spelling for E at the end of long words. Use this spelling most of the time. Complete the word. Draw clap lines for carry. Code each clap. Mark the E with a cross. And use the most common spelling for E. Complete the word. Draw clap lines for monkey. Code each clap. Find the E. Now, boys and girls, in monkey, we use the less common spelling for E. We don't use the spelling very often. Complete the word. Let's practice what we've learned. Divide your whiteboard into two columns. Remember, We first clap and then code. Finally, we add our letters. The first word is party. Find the correct E, clap, code, fill in the E, and complete the word. The next word is chimney. Clap, code, fill in the E, and complete the rest of the word.
Now it's time to build your own words. Remember, when building clap words, first we clap them, we say them, we code them, we write them, and lastly, we read them. The first word to build is money. Honey, baby, happy, empty, and hockey. This video may be paused while you're building the words. Welcome back, boys and girls. Now please open your workbooks onto this page. These are the words that I need you to read. Let's take out our pencils and find the E and make a dot under it. On the next column, I need you to make a line where you see this E, like I have. Please pause the video while you complete the columns. Now it's time for our group work. Group 1, you will be doing the mapping sheets. Group 2, sound manipulation. Group 3, bingo. And Group 4, the reading king. What did we learn today? You can now read and write clap words containing long vowel E at the end of words. You understand that EY is not commonly used. It is used in nouns ending with 2 claps. Remember that, boys and girls. Thanks for a great day. If this video was helpful, please remember to like it.